Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting concrete evidence so your reply is precise and fast. Include account name, registered email, and creation date to verify identity quickly. Attach transaction ID and dollar amounts for billing disputes because agents need those to trace payments. Capture screenshots of errors and exact item names to show what happened. Once done, draft a concise opening sentence that states the issue and what resolution you seek, so the support agent knows your goal immediately. You now write the body of the reply, explaining how the problem occurred and why the requested outcome is reasonable. Start with a one-sentence summary, then present facts in chronological order: dates, times, and actions you took. Attach images named like Purchase 2025-01-10, PNG so agents won't guess. Mention troubleshooting steps tried, such as reinstalling or checking payment methods, to prevent redundant suggestions. Make sure to keep tone calm and cooperative. This speeds up. You finish by stating the specific resolution you want and offering best contact times. Double-check attachments and grammar, then submit and immediately copy the ticket ID to your notes. Set a 48 to 72-hour reminder to follow up if there's no reply, because support queues can lag. If answers stall, escalate through the platform's official channels and add any new evidence you gathered. One troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, resize images under 2 MB or zip them before resending.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.